Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, you will learn how to install SSL or TLS root certificates on your e-system. So command line tools like curl, wget, and git. Ideal for beginners and intermediate Linux users, run this command to install the standard CA certificates bundle. This package includes trusted root certificates from certificate authorities used by tools like curl, wget, etc. If you have added custom certificates, for example, self-signed cards, update the CA store with the following command. Now you can test certificates as follows. If no SSL errors appears, you are good to go. Thanks for watching Delft Stack. Check out our other Linux tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.